In this video, you will be learning about the Gmail interface and how to set up an account. This video is for beginners. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing their technology and digital participation. All the profits from our organisation go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. Subscribe to our channel to get notified when we release more helpful videos. When you're working with Gmail, you'll be primarily using the main Gmail interface. This window contains your inbox and it allows you to navigate to your contacts, mail settings and more. Also, if you use other Google services like YouTube or Calendar, you'll be able to access them from the top of the Gmail window. To create a Gmail address, you'll first need to create a Google account. Gmail will redirect you to the Google account sign-up page. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, birth date, gender and location. You will also need to choose a name for your new Gmail address. Once you create an account, you'll be able to start adding contacts and adjusting your mail settings. To create an account, go to www.gmail.com. Click Create Account. The sign-up form will appear. Follow the directions by entering the required information. Next, enter your phone number to verify your account. Google uses a two-step verification process for your security. You will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the code to complete the account verification. Next, you will see a form to enter some of your personal information, like your name and birthday. Review Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, then click I agree. Your account is now created. Just like with any online service, it's important to choose a strong password. In other words, one that is difficult for someone else to guess. Next time, we will talk about signing into your account and the mail settings. Now that you've learned about setting up a Gmail account, why not check out our other videos to learn more? You can build on this foundation and learn how to browse the web safely and do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. What do you want to learn next? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us. Thank you, have a nice day and stay safe.